What's up, everyone? Movie Man and Nick here. I'm actually here in Newark, Maryland, and right behind me here is the Queponco, or Queponco, however you say it, railway station. And I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about the railway station here and show you around what's behind it, maybe what's in it. I can't go in it because it's closed, but I'm just going to show you around. Let's check this out. Alright guys, so I have some interesting fun facts about the railway station here. It actually stands today silent and unused. It was built in 1910 by the Pennsylvania Railroad. Due to the lack of demand for passenger service, it dwindled in the 1960s, and the building was sold by the Pennsylvania Railroad to a private citizen who used it for storage purposes. In 1991, a local group, the Queponco Railway Station, Incorporated, formed with the purpose of repairing and preserving the old railway station, and finally, it was and is listed on the National Register of Historic Places on January 19th, 1996 as the Queponco Railway Station. Alright guys, so as I walk up to it, there's the sign. And it is actually, if you read the sign right here, it is on the National Register of Historical Places, which they named it in 1996. And like I said before, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that sign in there, it is actually a museum, but of course it is closed. I'll go around the side here, see what we got. So there's the entrance sign. I guess that's the way in here. There's nothing really there, just electric box, the garbage can. But this is the front of it. And there's the sign again. Now here's the other side of it, and as you can see, it's a very old luggage carrier there. So who knows how long it's been here. And actually on the side here is basically when it was built. 1910, and there it is right there. And here's the other side of it and the back of it. As you can see by up there, it's getting a little old and it's starting to rusting. But there's a headstone here, a tribute. I don't know if you guys can read that. It says the Townsend Bird Sanctuary is dedicated and given in loving acknowledgement of my father, George F. Townsend, June 21st, 1864 to April 21st, 1947, veteran of the Spanish-American War. In 1898, this monument is placed in Newark, Maryland, in grateful memory of the many men and women of this community who have served our nation in time of war and peace. Cecil Townsend Hunker. This is what he used to look like. Let's see if I can show you what's in here. Actually, there's the signs right there, as you can see. Yeah, I just walked up to the window, and sorry for the glare, guys, but I just walked up to it. This is how old it's been sitting here. There's cobwebs everywhere, so I'm not really going to go up to it. But yeah, this is it. There's some more of the railroad track. And here's the other side of the railroad track. I don't know if you guys can see that down there. There's a little cat down there. See the little cat right there? Hi, kitty. Just sitting there, minding its own business. And look, there's a squirrel right there. It's all about the balance. I feel like I'm in that movie Stand By Me. That's all it is. Alright guys, that's it for me here in Newark, Maryland at the Queponco Railway Station. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. As usual, smash that like button, support, share, hit that notification bell. Also check me on Instagram under the same name, Movie Mania Nick. And remember, be excellent to each other and party on, dudes.